Hello everyone, and welcome back to John and Mandy Go RVing. Hello everyone, and welcome to John and Mandy Go RVing. Today we're going to work on a little project we have in the RV. We have an issue here where the caulk is separating from the edge of the sink, and now it's going to need replaced. So what we're going to do here is use this Goo Gone. It's a caulk remover. And we'll take this and spray it on the rest of the old caulk, and that'll help dissolve it. And then we'll take the scraper here and scrape it the rest of the way off. Give it a good clean and let it dry. Then once it's dry, we can go ahead and put this new caulk on from Flex Shop. It's a clear caulk, so it's like what we had on there already. So let's go ahead and get this started. Over here. Just little short bursts of spray. Less chance of getting it everywhere that way. Then just let that soak in for a little bit. Now I'm going to slowly pull this off, try to pull it off in long pieces, as you can see there, until I have it off. I could be wearing gloves while I'm doing this to protect me from the chemicals, but I'm a wild man. I drink milk straight from the carton, walk around with my shoes untied, sit too close to the TV, so I think I'll be alright after this. I'll just give my hands a good washing then. But you can see how easy this is kind of pulling off in big chunks. So I gotta push against as solid as I can while I'm pulling this at the same time, and that helps it separate too. And there you have it. I've just got this little bit in the corner here to get, and then I'll give it a good clean, let it dry, and I'll come back to it in like an hour or so, and we can apply the new caulk. Now that I have all the caulk removed, I'm going to go ahead and give this a good clean and let it dry for a bit. Make sure it's dry, give it an hour or two, come back to it, and then I'll make sure everything's dry at that point, and we'll go ahead and put on the new caulk here. So now that we have this all clean, we're going to go ahead and put some new caulk on using this Flex Shot. Cut it here at a 45-degree angle on a tip to allow the caulk to come out. So now that I'm done applying the new caulk. I'm going to let this dry for 24 to 48 hours before we use the sink at all. So after that, it should be good to go. Now, this ain't the best job. It's not something I do every day. You know, you do this once a year, once every couple years, you're not going to have the best bead, but it could be worse. Well, thanks everyone for watching this video, and I hope you found this helpful. Take care, everyone.
So I'm sure many of you wonder how we're able to travel as often as we do.
One tool we like to use when looking for campgrounds is 1,000 Trails.
It's a campground membership with plans to meet your camping needs. The 1,000 Trails system offers a variety of RV sites, tent sites, and cabins, plus many offer a ton of amenities and activities. Many are located near popular vacation destinations. We found that the campground serve as a perfect home base when we're exploring new areas. 1,000 Trails can work for the weekend campers, full-time RVers, and every type of camper in between. The membership specialists will work with you personally to fit the membership to your camping needs and budget. Contact Michael and Lori, membership specialists who are ready to answer your questions. And please don't forget to mention John and Mandy Go RVing when you call.